Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be showing you guys like how I basically make this blonde hair work for me. So basically I'm just going to start and I'm flat ironing the hair. This is a Remington Flatiron. I got this from Target for very inexpensive, probably like $30 or I think less than $30. I got the cheapest one there and it works okay. It looks kind of well. So I'm just going to straighten the hair first. And yeah, I made this wig myself. So yeah, and this hair is from AliPearl hair. If you want to figure out how I dyed it to this beautiful ash blonde color, then you can check out my other video. And this is like how I make it work for dark-skinned girls like me. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to straighten it, and I'm also using the chase method, which means I basically use the comb first and like put the flat iron right behind it so like it can get as straight as possible. So I really do like this hair. Like, it's really soft and like it flows very well. The only thing I think is because it's 613 hair, it sheds a lot. So yeah, and I also like excessively comb it, so that might be why it also sheds a lot too. Okay, next I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Lumi True Matte Foundation, and I'm not sure the shade name, but it's basically the shade I use. So basically use any foundation for yourself, and I'm gonna paint that like right onto the wig cap, and I'm only gonna really do like the part where you're gonna see the frontal part. So as I'm showing you here, it should be like pretty dark, because when you stretch it out then it's gonna be less opaque. So yeah, and then you want to take your wig off, and then that's what the lace looks like. I've put a little bit of powder in it, but now I want to go in and put the foundation also. And the reason why I'm doing this is like just in case I didn't get all the parts of the wig cap, it could just blend very seamlessly because this lace is transparent lace. So if I was to put it in my head, it would just show up white. So I want it to be tinted. And I'm just showing you now, this is what it looks like once you have done the process. And now I'm just going to put the wig onto my head. And yeah, once we're going to do that, then we're going to start the customization process, or the install. This is the first time I ever had blonde hair before, so I was very like nervous, and like I didn't really know what I was doing. I was just doing like my normal routine, I guess. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys what I do. I'm no way professional. I do not know what I'm doing for real. I'm just showing y'all how I'm learning. And I'm just gonna go in and like make the part, and I suck at parting. You guys, I really don't, like, hair is not my strong suit, so I'm still really learning. I can't wait to like get mastered down, like arrogant taste status. That would be amazing. So yeah, and just make your part as straight as you can. I just decided I'm gonna go for a middle part because like that's what I know, and I know that's easy for me. And once I have done that, then I'm going to go and take some mousse, and this is the Aussie volume mousse, and I'm just going to put that amount and I'm going to like basically put it on the part and like around the hairline, and like just flatten the top so that it can be, all the flyaways can like go away, and I can actually work with the hair. And then I'm just going to brush that out because it can make it a little, as you can see, like it can be like a little stiff. Not stiff, but like it'll keep it in place. I still want the hair to move. I just want, you know, to brush that out. So yeah, this hair color is so beautiful. I love it so much. Okay, now I'm going to just pin my hair back, and I'm using these clips. I think I got these clips from the beauty supply store or Dollar Tree, one of those, but they're usually really inexpensive, like probably $2 a pack. And these really come in handy, so when you want to lay your wig, you just want to get all of the hair out of your face and out of like the lace part, so when you cut it, you won't cut any hair. So yeah, it's really easy if you do it this way, so I do suggest that. And now just like pulling the frontal up so I can like lay out where exactly I want it to be, just to see, you know, map out where you want it to be. So as you see, I'm just like pulling it up, seeing where exactly I want the hairline to start. And then I'm going to go in with the scissors, and I first go in with a rough draft of where I want to cut out the lace. So like I don't cut out a lot, I just cut out really a lot of like the part where it comes to my eyebrow. just like a rough draft also. And I didn't show it, but after this part, this is when I went ahead and like started to cut the rest. I could not see on camera. I was using the viewfinder as a mirror, so I was after that, you just want to cut basically toward like to your hairline, and you don't want it to be too much lace cut off, but not like too much at the same time. So you'll see afterwards how much lace I cut off, because I could not do this on camera and I couldn't do it on my head either. So I just go in and take the wig off and then cut. And once you cut it to your liking, then you want to try it on to make sure, you know, anything else you don't like, then you continue to cut it off. But here's how much lace I cut. And then right after this process is when I glued it down. And I just used Got2b glue and pressed the lace into my skin. And that's like I did a little bit of swoop of the baby hairs. And this is kind of how it looks. I'm okay how it turned out. Like I could have did better, but this is my first time doing this. So yeah, basically this is what it looks like at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know anything else you want to see. And this hair is really soft. Check out the links below to get AliPearl hair. And yeah, thank you guys. See you next time. Bye. Oh, don't forget to follow me. All my social media links will be down below. And also subscribe, like, and comment, please. Okay, bye.